Sandra. My channel is called Sussex Sandra. Hello and good evening. It's Friday. Woo woo. Woo woo. Alright, I'll get into my little groove here. I've come home and I found a box that needs to be opened. So all that chat I was doing this morning on Instagram about, oh, I'm going to do latest in beauty or boxy lax, which one shall I do next? It's going to be the Birchbox. So let's get into it, shall we? Right, so Birchbox is a monthly subscription box, monthly beauty box. It costs £10 a month plus £2.90 postage and packaging. And it's a box that tends to, oh, this is very pretty. Look at that. Very pretty. Very 70s Austin Powers. You know what I mean? Yeah. Am I hypnotising you yet? Yeah, right. So, Birchbox, it's a beauty box, £10 a month. £2.90 postage and packaging. They tend to give you sort of like 4 to 5 different items in there. Sometimes you'll get the odd full-size item, but even though it's a full-size item, it's never going to be that big because the box is that small. So it'll be a full-size eyeshadow or a full-size eyeshadow stick or a little blush or something like that. But most of the items tend to be sample sizes or just sort of travel sizes. So let's see what's inside this month's Birchbox. There was a sneak peek and I can't remember for the life of me what the sneak peek was. Okay, that explains it. So the theme is Born Unicorn. I thought the whole unicorn thing was over. On the back they've got the sneak peek for August, which is a Balance Me boxy lot. Birchbox do a lot of Balance Me products, a lot. I mean, I'm not that fond of Balance Me personally, but saying that, I am using the eye cream we got in one of the boxes last month, month before, so I'm using that sort of every night and every morning at the moment. But I'm not that fond of Balance Me as a brand, even though they are vegan. I think they're cruelty free as well, so, and they tend to be sort of like 99.9% natural. So the product we've got coming up next month is a hyaluronic plumping mist. So it's not going to be that big, I expect, but who knows, they might surprise us and give us a full size one. So we've got Born Unicorn as a theme, and what are they saying? They're saying, hello Birchboxers, newsflash, each and every Birchboxer is a born unicorn. How do we know? Well, just like the mystical creatures themselves, all of you are bright, bold and utterly unique. Which is why this July we're inviting you to embrace your inner magic and celebrate what makes you one of a kind with your box of personalised beauty treats, rainbow horns optional. Personalised. Ooh, are those dangerous words they're using there? Let's see, shall we? So we've got a full-size item, so let's take that out first. And this is the, I think this is the item, oh yes, I remember now. This is the item we had to choose. So it was called Floss Beauty. It's my everyday eyeshadow, and we had it in a shade of either Tokyo or Maui. And I think I just picked anyone random because going by the swatch on the card they sent us last time, I wasn't sure if either colour was going to be that interesting. Okay, the style's very familiar, very much like Colourpop. Look at that. That's a very much Colourpop design pot. I wonder if the style of the eyeshadows like that, because Colourpop shadows, they're very soft and springy to touch and they're really pigmented, really good quality. So the colour I've got is Tokyo. Here you go. So Tokyo. It's early evening, so that's why my lighting is a little bit off. Okay, it's not soft like Colourpop, but we'll see. We'll see what it's like. Ooh. Ooh. No. Oh no. Oh no no no. Oh no 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 no, that is not a colour for me. That just looks straight up ashy. Oh dear, no no no. Right, I will either, because I've done a swatch now, I will either give that to sort of friend or family or donate it, but that colour is literally, honestly, disgusting. That's just like, oh no, just no. Just give me the heebie-jeebies, that has. Right, universally flattering. These buttery shimmer shadows from Floss Beauty glides on smoothly and blend with ease, even if you just use your finger. And don't the playful champagne And don't the playful champagne and soft coral shades just scream summer? Oh, right, I see. And don't the playful champagne and soft coral shades just scream summer? Okay, buff over your eyelids for a wash of soft, glowing, long-lasting colour, or build to go bold. It says here, we love Floss's philosophy, simple products that make you look like you. Now, that colour would make me look like, the only way I could describe that colour is the kind of colour, like, again, back in the 60s and 70s, when there wasn't really any makeup for black women, and we used to put on the shades that were obviously available in the shops for white women. So there would be like these blues and these sort of frosted colours like that, and they just looked really... So if I was doing a 60s look, then yeah, maybe I could put that on, but I ain't doing any 60s look right now, I'm sorry. I was born in that decade, but I don't want to be going back to their makeup style. No, thank you. Let's move on quickly. Next is Marcel, which is an extension plus curl mascara. So that's this. I don't really want to open it because I've got about 2 or 3 different mascaras open at the moment. One's nearly finishing, so I will be able to go into one properly. So this is... Oh, I didn't say, this is worth £12.50. Right, so using a uniquely curved and tapered brush that hugs the natural shape of your eye, this blacker than black mascara grabs hold of every lash to define, lengthen and curl. Plus the buildable formula stays in place all day whilst never clumping or flaking. Make sure you shimmy the brush back and forth to grip every lash from root to tip. And the recommended retail price for the full size, this isn't a full size, is £14.50. They say that it's a Birchbox exclusive, and they say you won't find Marcel anywhere else in the UK. This award-winning brand is exclusive to Birchbox. So if it's not found in the UK, anywhere else, where's it won its award? What country is it normally found in? Okay, next we have a product from This Works. I've actually got the full size of this because I've got that in my spring edit FabFitFun box. So this is just a little sample size. So this is This Works Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Full size of this is worth £18, and I said this is just a little sample size. This calming spritz is infused with a cocktail of 100% pure essential oils, including lavender, chamomile, vetiver and patchouli. Sorry. It's clinically proven to help you sleep quicker than usual and wake up feeling refreshed. Spritz a fine mist over your pillow and breathe in deeply. You'll soon be in the land of nod. And it says, wow, in a study, 97% slept better, 89% fell asleep faster, and 98% felt more refreshed in the morning after using Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. I have used it. I haven't noticed any difference. I've also got another pillow spray by, I think it's called Feather Down. It's in a blue bottle with white or silver writing, and I find that better than this. But hang on, I'm not having much success with this box so far. It's a bit disappointing. Right, next we've got this little teeny Palmer's Coconut Oil Body Lotion. So the full size of this is £4.19. I mean, this is literally just a tester size. Skin feeling parched from sun, sea and sand this summer, this body lotion will save the day. Enriched with coconut oil and Tahitian monoa oil, it delivers luxurious, unparalleled hydration, leaving your skin silky smooth, radiant and pampered. Lock in your skin's natural moisture by massaging in straight after a shower. Now actually, this body lotion I know is really nice, it's very moisturising, it does work. It's just, this is just such a small amount. They could have given us this size, which is the next item, but this, not really at all. Okay, but you know, I'll put this in my guest bedroom so somebody will use it. And this, I thought this box was personalised. Right, so we've got this from Percy & Reed. I don't like anything from Percy & Reed at all. This box is not personalised for me, I'm telling you. Is it for me or is it for my... I just realised this box is my daughter's box, because there's 2 boxes that come. So I was just thinking, this box is not for me. And that explains it. Right, so this is my daughter's box. So that means my box will probably come next week, because my daughter's box for some reason always seems to come a week before mine. So this is my daughter's one. So Persian Reed, Oh So Smooth Frizz Fixer. Using coconut oil, moringa oil and sweet almond seed cake, this silicone-free flyaway tanning spray conditions smooth frizz, kills static and enhances shine in just one simple step. Shake well and spritz onto a hairbrush or your hands if your hair is curly. Then brush through and et voila, silky smooth. And guess what? Persian Reed was created by two of London's leading hairdressers. You're in safe hands. Okay, that explains it. This box is not personalised for me, so I actually don't feel so bad now, and I just really hope I don't receive any of these products in my box. So this box, my daughter will like this, because no, she's got big hair, big hair, lots of curls, so she'll like this frizz thing. She'll like this because she goes through lotions like crazy. She probably will like this eyeshadow because it will show up better on her skin than it does on mine. She'll like the pillow spray. She'll use that because she has been, pardon me, she has been stressing a lot since she's finished college. I think she's just waiting for her results and stuff. But she has been feeling rather anxious recently. So hopefully this might help her, who knows. And she'll like the mascara. So for my daughter's box, this box is fine. Thank God I checked to see who this box belonged to, because there was no way this was personalised for me. It really wasn't. It just wasn't. Okay, that's the first Birchbox I do each month. It's my daughter's box. As I said, I cancelled her pink parcel. I decided to get her this instead. So this is hers. What did you think? Mine will probably come next week, as I said, or the week after, if it's anything like last month's one. So we will see. But there you go. We've got our Birchbox unicorn box. Did you like it? Yeah? Nay? Let me know down below. And disregard what I said about it, because I thought the box was for me, but it's not. It's for my daughter. My daughter is lighter skin. She's mixed race. So those products will suit her just fine, because the box was personalised for her. Right, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a like down below. It actually does really help my channel if you watch the videos all the way through, if you comment, if you give a like, all these things, just engagement with the person who's making the video. It helps their channel along, and it helps their channel to be promoted more. So if you want to help, you know, just all you got to do is leave a little comment and do one of those above. And if you haven't done so already, what are you waiting for? I'm giving you all of this. That's all you got to do. Press the subscribe button down below, and if you're doing that, you might as well press the bell, because then that will notify you when I do my next upload, and there will be a few uploads this weekend. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon. Take care.